Hello students, in our previous video we have discussed about the past perfect tense, and today as you see on the board that we are going to discuss about active voice and passive voice, and particularly for the past perfect tense. Now I hope that you remember the structure for how to make the sentence for past perfect tense. So remembering that structure, today we are going to discuss about how to make passive voice for the given tense, particularly past perfect tense. So first of all, whenever you want to make any passive voice, what do you need? That is subject, verb and object. Another thing that you also know, that in order to make any passive voice, what you should do, first of all you have to place object in the very beginning, then after tense wise changes will take place. Also you have to put the subject in the very after by, and then after the particular thing that you have to follow that we will discuss. So let us start without wasting our time. So now let us start the passive voice for the given tense, past perfect tense. First of all, let us go ahead with the formation of past perfect tense. Formation, here you can see that in formation, in the very beginning, what you have to write, that is object. You have to identify from the sentence what is the object in the given sentence. Then after, now as it is a past tense, you have to put head here. What you have to put, that is head. Then after, while making passive voice, it is necessary that you should put been. Why? Because you are making the passive voice for the past perfect tense. Then after, whenever, whatever tense it is, whenever you are making any passive voice, you have to put the past participle of the verb form. In the first video also I have told the same thing. Why? Because we are making the passive voice. So here you have to put the past participle or V3 form of the verb. So this is the main thing. Whenever you are making any passive voice, you just have to put the past participle or V3 form of the verb. Then after by, then subject, whatever subject that is given to you, and table wise, in the very first video I have given you the table, the changes will take place like that. Then after other words, suppose if other words in the sentences are given, you have to put the other words. Now let us take some examples so that you can get some idea how the changes are going to take place. Here, the very first sentence, you can see, she had bought a new camera. Firstly, let us try to identify the subject, verb and object. Here your subject is she. What is your verb? That is bought. Then after, a camera, that is your object. In order to make the passive voice, what you have to do, firstly, you have to put the object in the very beginning. Now what is the object here? Camera? No, not at all. You have to take this whole portion as an object. A new camera. Some of the students makes mistakes. Which kind of mistake that they directly get this camera only and they forget this thing. So this should not be done. Instead, you have to take the whole portion of it as an object. A new camera. Okay. Now, after object, what is that? That is head. Okay. After head, you can see what we have to put, that is beam. A new camera had been. Now, past participle of the verb form. To buy, that is the main verb form. Bought is the past form. And what is the past participle? The past participle is also the same. Bought. New camera had been bought. Okay, after past participle, what we have to put, that is buy. Buy. Now she is your subject. Whenever she is given, it will be changed by her. Why? Because your subject is she. So here you have to put her. So this is how the changes will going to take place. A new camera had been bought by her. This is how the changes will take place. Another example, here it is a negative sentence. Negative sentence. In negative sentence, a simple change is going to take place. Along with head, you just only have to add not. What you have to do, that is, you have to add not. Let us see, otherwise the structure, the formation will be the same. Okay, Mike had not parked the car properly. Here, what is your object? That is car. Okay, subject is Mike. Negative sentence is there, so also we have to mention in answer also that we also have to make negative. Then after, part can be considered as a verb. So now let us see how the changes are going to take place. Firstly, put your object in the very beginning, the car. Okay, then after, had not, along with had, you have to put not. The car had not been. Then after verb, past participle, parked by. The car had not been parked by Mike. Here the name is given, so also you have to put the given name. By Mike, and here you can see some other words are there. So here, properly do right. Okay, so this is how in negative sentence the changes are going to take place. The car had not been parked by Mike properly. Okay, now let us discuss. If any interrogative sentence is given to you, what you should do. Here you can see that your question is starting from had. Had you invited guests? Here nothing to change. Simply you have to put the given question tag. Actually this is not a question tag, but in order to make question, your had has been used. So here in the very beginning, put had as it is. Okay, whatever that is given here, you have to put as it is. Then after, now find out subject, verb and object. This is quite very simple. Put your object in the very beginning, that is had guests. After guest, you have to add been. Had guests been. Then after put invited, that is past participle, by you, and at last don't forget the question mark. Had guests been invited by you. This is how you can make the passive voice for this kind of interrogative sentence. Now here, this is also interrogative sentence, but this is starting from who. If your question is starting from who, at that time what you have to do? Okay, when your question is starting from who and you have to make a passive voice for this, simply in the very beginning add by who. Okay, then after, find out your object. Your object is apples. After subject, add by whom apples. After that, you have to add had been, by whom apples had been eaten. And at last, you have to put the question mark, by whom apples had been eaten. And another answer can also be there, that instead of this, by whom apples had been eaten. So this is how the answer will go. Okay students, now here you can see that some mistakes are there, but right now we are not facing each other, that's why you couldn't correct me. Okay, but here there is a mistake. Now you have to identify just pause your video for 2 minutes and try to identify the mistake, because definitely I am going to tell you what is the mistake here. See, by whom apples have been eaten, now had been eaten, that is not considered as a question at all. In order to make question, what we have to do, the had should be here. Okay, by whom had apples we have to remove had from here. Been eaten. Okay. 2 times I repeated those that sentence that the answer can be written in 2 manners. So this is how. This is the correct answer. Just to awake you, I have done a little mistake. But yes, correct it. That if you want to make you any question, the head should at the beginning, and then after you have to follow this kind of structure. By whom had apples been eaten? So this is how the answer will go. Okay, so it is a kind of correction that you have to do yourself. When we will continue our classes, definitely we will discuss some more sentences regarding this. Okay, now let us move ahead with what. If your question is starting from what, at that time what you have to do. Okay, if what question is given to you, here also the procedure is the same. Subject, verb, object you have to find out. But in the very beginning, you have to put what. Okay, if what question is given to you, in the very beginning put what itself. Then had, what had. Now here, what is your object? Do you find any object here? Yes or no? Definitely there is no object. What had been Sharon taken? So here there isn't any kind of object. Now suppose there isn't any kind of object given in your sentence. What you have to do? Nothing. What had been taken? What had been taken by Sharon? And at last you have to put the question mark. What had been taken by Sharon? This is how the answer will go. Okay, now last sentence is there. You can see that. Suppose your question is starting from where, why, when and how. The same formation, the same structures that you have to follow. Here I have taken one example starting from where. Here the example is like this. Where had boys watched the movie? This kind of sentence is given to you. At that time, what you have to do? Simply write down the given question. It means where. Suppose what is given to you, do write what. Why is given to you, do write what. Why. Okay. Then after, put a head also. Where head. Now, from this portion, you have to find out subject, verb and object. What is your subject? That is voice, verb, watch and movie. Put object here. Where had movie. Okay. After movie, you have to add been. Where had movie been? Then after you write the past participle of the verb form. Then by and subject voice. And at last question mark. The answer must be like this. Where had movie been watched by voice? So this is how you can change from active voice into passive voice. Now I have given you a worksheet. So do write your answer properly. And in our next video, we will meet with a new topic. Thank you.